these two are founders.
Namaskaram.
So, world's first class-changing vehicle, a vehicle which can convert from a three-wheeler to a two-wheeler to enable the young, aspiring future of India who want to do multiple jobs through a single vehicle. This vehicle is the world's first time in India we have created this vehicle. Nowhere in the world there is such.
No.
Nowhere in the world such vehicle exists. Now this vehicle is also being in process to be adopted in other countries like Latin and Africa. We are pitching this to the international bodies also that we should adopt this vehicle in those countries also. We are starting with India. We will be doing a pilot with these vehicles. A new category for this vehicle has been created.
You want to give a demo?
Yes. We'll just show you. Please. You can see the two-wheeler is inside.
ये किधर से खुलेगा?
Please come.
So as you can see, it's a very spacious seat. It's not a congested one.
Yeah.
Three people can always sit easily.
Yeah.
Good headspace and everything. And for the driver also. So it's a two-wheeler and a three-wheeler, but the controls are the same, so he doesn't get confused.
Okay.
So this vehicle enables them to earn more. He can do the earning with a three-wheeler and then convert it two-wheeler and do Swiggy, Zomato deliveries or bike taxi or maybe
or
use
family
it for
use.
personal use to drop the kid to the school so they don't feel comfortable in going in an auto rickshaw. If they want to go with the family to a family function, so they want to prefer two-wheeler. It's a young generation. So that's why this single vehicle enables you to do a lot more than we have thought. So this will
Let's
change.
see the conversion.
You
That's
guys have to
interesting.
Go down.
कहाँ खड़े होना पड़ेगा?
Just. Adhika vastu.
So right now the two-wheeler is separating from the three-wheeler body. We have to maintain the safety. So there is a mechanism which holds the two-wheeler with the three-wheeler body. Right now it is separating.
Separating
Now,
and automatically it will
now
come
the
out.
two-wheeler will come out. The person can just take away the two-wheeler. The two-wheeler rear wheel is inside the body of two-wheeler. It will come down and it will become a two-wheeler.
नहीं आ रहा।
It takes a minute. It takes at least the 30 to 45 seconds process. It takes at least 2 minutes per person to convert.
Right now they are testing it out. So 10 of these they are testing. All in Delhi.
RC type has to be created.
You only have to click buttons, nothing else. No manual intervention.
Yeah.
The two-wheeler rear wheel is inside the two-wheeler body. Now it will lift up and become a two-wheeler.
Yeah.
It's not that the rear wheel is driving it.
The three-wheeler drives itself. The two-wheeler now it will become a proper two-wheeler.
The front is used for the three-wheeler also.
The front wheel is common for two-wheeler and three-wheeler. Now it is lifting up.
Such a technology doesn't exist. We have taken inspiration from aerospace and marine engineering and put it in an automobile. So a lot of challenges over there, and we have the support of Hero Motorcars and Minjal Group region, and we were able to do this.
Whatever you have.
This was recognized by USA's
Time magazine as the topmost inventions of 2024. Even the USA has recognized this invention as a very new in its category.
So the idea is customers can ferry passengers around during the day, and we take the family out if you want on the scooter at night.
Or cargo.
Electric is also electric. Right now we are still testing. The three-wheeler at charge.
So the engine is saying.
Yes. Customer has the ease of using any vehicle at any time.
Yeah. Good innovation. Excellent. We'll go in the vehicle.